tsura yan?
Nostalgic depression.
Miss Jasmine, di maano? Dito ka pala nagtatrabaho. It's been what, 10 years?
Laika? Ikaw ba yan?
Are you kidding me? Di ba isa ka sa mga 100k followers ko?
Pasingit lang ha. Anong order mo?
Anyway, I like your Korean glass skin. Or is it just your oily face?
Ikaw din naman. You look pretty.
Sana ikaw din.
And completely natural. Parang napurot kita kay Doc Jack.
Match lang, pareho naman hindi kagandahan. Hindi pa ba order yan?
One sea salt caramel macchiato.
Nye, caramel macchiato. 2 shots. Para kabang ka naman.
By the way, are you coming to the school reunion? Everybody's coming, so in case you won't come, I'll just bring them over so they can see where you work.
Of course, I'll be there. Para may kumausap naman sa'yo.
Haha, see you there then.
Thanks for dropping by. Next time, tell us in advance kung dadaan ka ha.
Sure, will do.
Para maaga tayo magsara.